everyone, I am Kelly Shaffner. Welcome to my channel. I have a big box of shoes sitting on my lap, but actually this box, guys, is a little bit smaller than shoe boxes that I have received in the past. Should I be concerned? I am a little bit concerned because I would love for this box to be filled with boots, but I don't think it is. Judging from the size of this box, I'm guessing that there's probably more sandals than boots in this box. This box is coming from the Pennsylvania warehouse, which I was happy about. Word on the street says Pennsylvania has the best boxes. I don't know. We can judge that after we open this box. The box cost $80. And if I can sell all 15 pairs of shoes in this box, it will bring the cost per pair of shoes to $5.33. That is a great cost of goods for good shoes. But because this box is smaller than boxes I have received in the past, I'm guessing that I probably have more sandals in this box than I have boots. I don't know. Let's cross our fingers, guys. This was a birthday gift to myself, so I'm really hoping that this box is going to have some items that I will be able to flip and make a profit. I've made profit on every single shoe box that I've ordered from ThredUp. I can say that this box has been pretty consistent. And one last thing, this box took a little while to get to me. ThredUp shipped it immediately, but it got stuck in transit. So that's happening a lot right now. So let's look. Hopefully this was worth the wait. All right, I have an invoice here, which is folded up like I'm passing a note in school. Hello, we're here to help. And it says that this is $80. I do have the basket here to retrieve everything. So it looks like this, and I wonder if I'll break it. All right, Pennsylvania is famous for sending these air pillows. All right, I see some Cole Haans right off the bat. I see some sequins, some JBU. I'm gonna pull these out because I have never picked up this brand. I'll put comps on the screen for you guys because a lot of these shoes that I receive I have never seen before. I'm not familiar with the brand. Some of them I am, but I will put comparable comps on the screen so you can know before I even know what the value of this box looks like. Let me put this box down. Now back to this pair. It's JBU by Jambu. I pass by this brand all the time in the thrift store, and to be honest with you, I've never looked up comps. Is this a good brand? I don't hear people talking about it, but this is a pair of like low top duck boots, and they're dirty. These are really easy to clean. I have sold these like duck boots before because ThredUp has sent them to me. They're a size 8, and other than being a little dirty, I think they're in good shape. Okay, I have to pull these out because they're colorful. I love colorful. I am going to list these if they are in good shape for sure. They're dirty. This is an easy clean. I will go over these with a magic eraser, and then I will just wash these canvas tennis shoes in my washing machine. These are Bobs from Skechers, a memory foam Bobs. Other than being dirty, I think they're in pretty good shape, and these are a size 7. They look like this. Kind of a rainbow Sketcher. I like those. My sister would take those in a minute. They might work for her, but I think she prefers a 7.5. These are cute. Converse, low top, all-star. These are, they don't say the size on the bottom, but they look like this. Again, a little bit dirty. Same thing. I will put these in the wash. Let me see what size you are. Size 4, men's size 4, women's size 6. Yeah, women's size 6. They don't look that little to me, but I guess they are. That's the, okay, sandals. Exactly what I expected. I don't see any boots in this box. And these are Michael Kors. Can you see that right there? I don't know. They're silver metallic. They've got something. Is that going to come off? Oh, okay. It's coming off. I don't know. It's a little bit gross. This is an espadrille wedge. I kind of like, it's really lightweight. And these are Michael Kors, MK on the back. But I can see, yeah, these are Michael Kors. It is almost worn off. These have a leather sole on them with some wear. But you know what? These are going to sell. I'm going to have to clean these up. They don't look like they're going to be difficult to clean up. So I'll get those cleaned up and they will sell in the spring. Next up, we have a pair of Cole Haans. Let me find the mate. Okay, yeah, this is the mate. This is that looks pretty comfortable, doesn't it? It's a Cole Haan wedge. It almost looks like they just put a flat on a wedge heel. So this one is the Nike Air sole, which I guess are pretty comfortable. They don't make this any longer. So these are an older style, but they're in pretty good condition. I do like that they have that patent cap toe and a very sensible wedge. So what size are these? I don't see the size right offhand. I'm guessing these are probably about a 7.5. That's what it looks like. Everything in here is a 7.5. Now I'm pulling out some super lightweight shoes. These are Bernie Mev. I like Bernie Mev. These look little though. What size? I see the size right there. These are a 37 Bernie Mev. So this is kind of an elasticized weaved wedge comfort shoe, Bernie Mev. I have had luck selling Bernie Mev. In fact, I see a lot of dupes in the thrift store. I've never tried any of the dupes. I don't know how they perform, but I'm happy to have these. Again, a little bit smaller size. Here's some heels. We get heels in all of these boxes. Ooh, look at that. That one is misshapen. Hopefully, yeah, that is something that a little stuffing is going to make okay. These are Louis at Sea, which is, they're expensive shoes to begin with. You can get these at Nordstrom, probably at Nordstrom Rack. I'm guessing these are Nordstrom Rack because they do have sticker residue on the bottom. That is pretty easy to clean up. These are a size 6 or a 36. They're in okay. This is a calf hair of some sort. I don't know about that, if that's wear or the toes have a little bit of wear on them. It's not significant. I think I can clean those up. They do need a good cleaning. These shoes are really dirty. Now I'm pulling out the sequins, and these are a women's size 9 Sperry topsider with gold sequins. These are in really good shape on the top. There's some wear to the soles. Not much tread on them, although they don't have a lot of tread to begin with. What size are you? Women's size 9. They're in really nice condition, so I will get these listed. I don't thrift Sperry topsiders, but because I have them, I'll list them. Next is a pair of sandals. These are cute. A little, I think they're leather, a little leather tassel, like T-strap thong sandal, and these are Vince Camuto, and there is a sticker, and these are a size 7.5. Oh, these are cute. If you can see a little stitching detail right there. So these are not going to sell right now. But I say that, but I just sold a pair of flip-flops a couple days ago, so who am I to say what's gonna sell when? Oh, these are cute. Is that a popsicle? Ooh, these are popsicle shoes. And I am guessing these are Saludos. They are Saludos. I like selling Saludos. They're kind of famous for these espadrille canvas shoes with novelty prints. This is embroidered, and these are in pretty good condition. They are a size 7. Is this another pair of Saludos? These are a nice size. These are not a size 7. These are Cole Haan, so I'll take Cole Haan. But there's the size. These are Cole Haan. No, it doesn't say the size. Oh, 8. 8B. This is a white leather espadrille flat slip-on. Super, super soft, high-quality leather that we've come to expect from Cole Haan. These are in really, really nice condition. So I'm happy about these. What do the bottoms look? Hardly worn. Like that. Okay. I'll take that. I'm happy about that, even though I would say they're more of a spring shoe. Okay, this is a leather shoe by Cynthia Rowley. I don't know. Right off, I don't know. What do you guys think? So that's kind of a special occasion black suede shoe. It does say that it's leather. It's a size 9.5. I would not be drawn to this shoe in the thrift store. Let me see what the other one looks like. This might be a great shoe. It's misshapen though. Look at that. It is misshapen. I don't know. I don't know about this one. Everything looks good on it. This was probably worn once to a special occasion and sent to ThredUp. I'm looking at the bottom of the box and there are no showstoppers. These are made in Italy and they're a size 38. Oh, these are Sundance. A Sundance sandal. I've never sold Sundance shoes. This is a catalog brand that is expensive and it does pretty well on the resale market. This is cute with that leather 3D flower on it, just a thong sandal. These are kind of cute and they're in pretty good condition. Not much wear on the bottom. Size, what did I say, 38? Okay, I am getting ready for summer for sure. This next shoe is probably appropriate for this time of year. It looks like this, and it does have a hook and loop opening there. What is the brand? Earthies. Earthies? Have you guys ever sold Earthies? I stay away from all of the brands that are Earth Origins, Earth everything, because I know that Walmart has a brand of Earth something, and you know, those Walmart shoes can trick me. I don't know what these are, to be honest with you. I have never seen this brand. Do you guys know anything about it? This is real leather. These are a size 9.5, a wedge black suede, easy to get in and out of shoe. I hope these are gold. They don't look like they've been worn much on the bottom. I have one more pair. It's a pair of boots. These don't even feel good. These, this is what they look like. This is a pointed toe, calf height, faux leather boot. Who are you? Amalfi? Made in Italy. 8.5. Is that brown? No, that's black. They feel super cheap, and I wasn't wrong. Look at all that peeling on the inside. Yeah, these will be donated, or I might try them at buy, sell, trade, but I am not going to sell these. They just, you know, you have to be careful. I've heard people say that if they're made in Italy, they're great. That is not true. That is not true at all. I generally will look up anything made in Italy, but you can touch these boots right here and just know that they're cheap simply by feel. That's it. That is the 15 pairs of shoes I received from ThredUp. What did you think? I don't think there are any like showstoppers in this box. I love the Skechers rainbow shoes. I think those are a lot of fun. I'm excited to photograph them and list them. I think they're going to look darling in my Poshmark closet. There's really nothing that I'm interested in keeping for myself. Now, the white leather Cole Haans are my size. I might give those a try. I think those are kind of cute. They would be nice for spring and summer, but they will probably be listed because I think I need all 14 pairs of shoes listed and sold to make a profit on this box. Let me know what your favorite pair was. You guys have seen the comps. You already have an idea of how I might do with the 14 pairs of shoes that I am going to sell. Thank you so much for spending a bit of your day with me today. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And I will see you very soon with some really exceptional shoes, guys. I went thrifting for my birthday. You knew I would, right? And I found some shoes and I'm excited to share those shoes with you. So make sure that you are subscribed and have that bell tapped so you will get a notification when the shoe haul, and there's some clothes as well. But yeah, you will get a notification as soon as that video goes live. Happy holidays to all of you. Blessings.